My research interests include the following. The first is a morphological study of the Vietnamese people, especially children. The focus is on height, weight, chest size. These three indicators help determine BMI index, PNET index, WH/H index, H/W index. All these indices enable us to determine the nutritional status. I also study physiological norms of Vietnamese people such as heart rate, blood pressure, memory, etc. Another area of my research is intellectual development of Vietnamese people by using the Raven test. I also do research on school-related diseases such as optic problems, spinal cord, and so on. One more area of my research is biological reproductive characteristics of animals and their conservation. I am also interested in breast cancer of Vietnamese women and risk factors, especially the breast cancer related to mutation in BRCA1 and BRCA2 genes. My typical research works are as follows. The first is human and animal physiology. This is a coursework for students. The second is fundamental physiochemistry issues in biology. This is a coursework for master students. Another is a study of malnutrition and obesity among primary school children from 6 to 10 years old. This is a ministry-level scientific and technological project done in the year 2007-2008. The next one is a research on biological characteristics of Onychostoma gallagher, a kind of fish in Quang Ngai province. It is a province-level scientific and technological project. And finally, a research on some risk factors and determination of mutations in BRCA1 and BRCA2 genes among Vietnamese women with breast cancer. This is published on Vietnam Medicine Journal, Volume 406 in May 2013. What are your future research interests? My future research interests include the study of malnutrition and obesity among children in Central and Highland Vietnam. Another field is biodiversity in the view of sustainable development in Central and Highland Vietnam. And the next one is the risk factors of breast cancer among Vietnamese women and others. Can you talk about your family? Well, I'm married with 2 daughters. My wife works in laboratories at Quy Nhơn University. My first daughter is a business student in Taiwan. My second daughter is a language student in Hue City. I'm living in Quy Nhơn City and Dinh Rương Street. What are your contributions so far? Well, I have taught undergraduate students for 30 years and graduate students for 8 years. What is your major challenge in biological research? I don't think we have modern laboratories and equipment. Our research budget is limited. The database for research is poor. We don't have any efficient research teams. What are your hobbies? I like the sports and exercise. I usually play badminton. I also like playing chess, and of course, sometimes I drink beer with my colleagues and friends, and so on.